David Geiger. An Iowa senator wants a legislative path to reallocate disaster aid to Farm Bill safety net programs. During the fight over the debt and deficit, Iowa Senator Chuck Grassley wants to implement a strategy of reallocating billions of dollars in farm disaster aid to the Farm Bill programs. He says that would provide new Farm Bill dollars by tapping into routine ad hoc disaster spending, pointing out it can happen if it's in the baseline. Additionally, pandemic food stamp spending could also help. He would like to return to a level of spending prior to the pandemic, adding only inflation. Grassley also thinks Congress should channel more money into crop insurance.
We set up the crop insurance program to manage disasters ahead of time, or just to manage disasters. So there should be less need of disaster assistance.
After years of record farm exports, the forecast shows a drop. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, food and agriculture exports from the U.S. will drop 12% through fiscal year 2026. It thinks erosion will be due to global economic slowdowns, inflation, higher interest rates, and the strong U.S. dollar. Overall, economic conditions are projected to slow U.S. exports quicker than imports, leading to a trade deficit. And the USDA projections show exports will drop across the board, with grains and soybeans hit the hardest. However, after that, 2027 exports are expected to show a rebound. The 10-year baseline projects exports to be $190 billion this year, dropping to $166 in 2026 and rising to $182 billion by 2032. And at the end of the week, our analyst Alan Brugler has the market recap.
Well, the corn market is kind of range bound here. We're trading mostly 670 to 685 on the nearbuys. New crop has had a little struggle getting back above $6. The concern is you've got still have poor exports, and you've got expectations of increased acreage. On the soybean side, we rallied to new highs on Monday, then we sold off Tuesday, Wednesday, kind of gave a lot of it back. And Argentine story is still mostly hot and dry. Brazil story is still record crop and making much more rapid harvest progress. Cash cattle market's holding in there pretty well. We've seen some packer reluctance to chase the bids, or to raise the bids to chase the ask. We are seeing a little bit of a correction as we went into midweek on the board. Cattle cycle is still very positive long term, but in the short run, we can get overbought. Hog market's trying to bottom here. We've had a nice short covering rally, then we kind of backed off a little bit, but it looks like the seasonal is starting to turn on the cash side, and that will eventually allow the nearby board to go up. The summer hogs already have a tremendous premium. They're already way ahead of the market, and they may not do much.
That's all I have for the Agribusiness Report today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. We have our stories online. Head over to WHO13.com, click News, and then Agribusiness.